What you saying, gals and gents? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. Today I'm going to be talking about femininity and look, and I'm going to be giving you 5 tips to feel and look feminine. Now, some of these tips may not work for everybody, but it's just a start, a little bit of locks encouragement. The first tip that I'm going to give you for looking and feeling feminine in your locks is affirmations, your mindset. Always remember, when you feel good, you look good. So if your mindset is set based on negativity all the time, you will feel and you will look negative. So I encourage everybody to go on Google, go on Pinterest, get some affirmations, learn some words, talk good things to yourself so you can feel good. And more than likely, after you done recite your affirmations to yourself, you will be so uplifted and feel so much better about yourself. And no matter how your day is going, you will just be like up here whilst everybody down there. You understand? So speak those affirmations to yourself to feel good and look good. Another tip to look and feel feminine is self-care maintenance. Like, people don't understand how important self-care is as a woman. You need some kind of self-care. Self-care is for the self. You're taking care of yourself inside and out. So with locks, self-care for your locks can be your oil days. Self-care for your locks can be your wash days. Like me, I love wash day and oil days. Like, my hair just be in heaven. Another tip for feeling and looking feminine within your locks is it's good to have healthy habits in your routine. Like, I know we all love our junk food. Like me, I love junk food. Like, I could wake up in the morning and just eat junk food straight up, like without no real food. Like, that's just me. But it's good to eat healthy, start working out, start drinking a lot of water. I notice my skin now is getting so much clearer now that I've been drinking water and working out. So I just go, and my scalp starting to feel a lot more healthier too. I ain't gonna lie. Like, my roots, you can see it growing, thick and healthy. So that means I'm doing something right. I try get those fruits in, try get those workout in, try get those healthy drinks in, healthy smoothies. Let's put down the junk food for a minute and let's just focus on inside, like taking care of the inside of our body. Because always remember, when you feel good, you look good. Tip for looking and feeling feminine is skincare. Now, this is something that I want to incorporate. I want to be able to do my skincare every single day, and I just want clear skin, like clear, healthy skin. And I feel like when you have clear, healthy skin and your skin is not bumpy, or you don't have a lot of hyperpigmentation, like your skin is just clear and healthy, you feel amazing inside and you feel more outgoing. I want to be that skincare girl, like where I can say, okay, this is my night skincare and this is my morning skincare. That's the healthy routine level that I'm trying to get on. Just trust me, a clear skin and some pretty locks, you bound to feel and look good. Another tip for looking and feeling good with locks is always remember that locks are versatile. And I say this to say this. So if you're feeling like you don't feel like having it down, you can do a braid out, you can do a little style. So much options that you have. So if you're tired of your regular, regular routine or your regular style, go to the salon. And when you don't get your hair doing your hairstyle up and all of that, and you don't feel good and you don't do this, carry yourself on a date. I see plenty of people going on solo dates lately, and I love it for them. And I feel like in this day and time, we always wait on people to go on dates with, and need friends to do this and that with. But it's good to treat yourself and love yourself and enjoy yourself. Another way to feel more feminine with locks is I recommend doing that nice little shower routine. Add some body scrubs to your regimen. Add the shower conditioners that they have now. I just buy one body scrub the other day. When I tell you, my skin feels so soft and silky. So I highly recommend additional products to your shower routine and just soak it in the moment. The way to feel feminine with locks is dressed up. Do your makeup, feel your best, dress up, put on a sexy dress. We've been in the closet for a minute. Every day is a special event when it comes to you, okay? Just remember that. Another tip that I recommend is finding your aesthetic, something that works for you. I hope you guys enjoy these femininity tips video or ways to feel more feminine. That's just a little brush on things you can do to feel more feminine and feel good within yourself with your lock. Also, drop down in the comment things that you do to feel more feminine with your locks or feminine in general. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.